let's talk about 4 quick meals for weight loss. These meals are going to pack a high protein punch, so they're going to keep you full for longer, but they're also super easy to make and are great meals if you're trying to lose weight but you live a super busy lifestyle. So if you're ready, let's go. So first we're going to take 3/4 cup of yogurt. My favorite yogurt is the vanilla Greek yogurt, but you can use any yogurt you want. Then we're going to add our granola. This is an apple cinnamon granola. And then we're going to cut up 1 apple. And you're going to use the entire apple for this meal. And you're going to just make it all cute and put it around the bowl and just sort of mix it all together. It adds a nice crunch along with the granola to your vanilla yogurt. And then I just decided to try to make it all cutesy and pretty for the camera because it's who I am as a person. But this one is great and packs a great little healthy snack or breakfast option for on the go. Next up is a great little bagel option. So I use Dave's Killer Bagels. I use the Everything Bagel, but they also make a berry bagel that's really delicious. And the important piece here is the whipped cream cheese. I'm using the garlic and herb today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 tablespoon for each slice of the bagel because that's just, that's the portion size is the 2 tablespoons, and so that's just easier. But if you wanted to add more, you certainly could if you like it creamier. But I like being able to use the whipped because it gives you that cream cheese taste without having to add quite so much cream cheese. And then I'm just going to spread it around. This is not science here. This is not anything that takes brilliant work, but I do feel like I get more protein when I use the bagels from Dave's Killer Bread when I use the whipped cream cheese. And then I like to add some fruit because it's really important to be well-rounded. Then we're going to use that Dannon Light and Fit Greek again. And for this one, we are going to use 3/4 cup because that's the serving size. But again, you can modify the portion sizes and all the info will be linked in the description bar too. Then I'm going to add some Ghost protein powder. I like the Nutter Butter, the chocolate Nutter Butter or the Nutter Butter for this particular meal. And you're just going to add that to your bowl, 1 full scoop. And then you are going to stir that sucker up. And this honestly probably takes the longest and most time consuming part. It can also be kind of messy. So we're going to speed you through it, and like I said, you got to use some arms to really stir this up here nice and good and get it all blended in together. And honestly, I don't mind it not super well blended because I like the taste of it, but everybody's palate is different. So you're going to work really hard and you're going to get your arms in. Just kidding. Don't do that. You're going to work really hard and you're going to get that all blended in. And then, dun da da da, it's taking me really long to blend, sorry. And then once you blend it, you're going to add some cereal of your choosing. I really like Cinnamon Life. I think it's a totally underrated cereal. And for this, I used 1/2 cup. But again, measure at your own discretion, calorie budget, etc. I'm just going to put that on top. And it's really delicious, easy, and high protein for, on the go. Then we're going to do a protein pizza. This is a protein crust, and then you're going to add the sauce of your choice. Today, my husband used spicy Rouse sauce because that's his lovely hand helping us out today. And you're going to use 2 tablespoons of the sauce, and then you're going to stir it all around. I don't know what happened with the camera. Anyway, so you're going to mix that all up, and then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese to it. And we like the low-fat, no-fat milk sort of mozzarella that you see there. And we're just going to sprinkle that all the way around. Again, none of these are super complicated. And then you're going to add some pepperoni. We like the Mama Mary's pepperoni, and he's going to put 8 of those on there for us today. He decided to help me with this video. I really appreciate him. And anyway, so we're going to add those to the pizza, and then we're going to go ahead and put it in the toaster oven for just a little bit and let it get all nice and crispy and delicious. And then it'll be ready, high protein, and ready to enjoy in a pretty quick and easy way. And again, I think this is one of those things to show that none of the stuff has to be super complicated. And there you go. You just pop it on in, and there you go, get your delicious pizza. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching.